Today we are going to react to a newly launched trailer by Netflix India, that is Serious Men. It's going to get released on 2nd of October, starring Nawazuddin Siddiqui, M. Nasir, who is a very famous actor from South, and also Sudhir Mishra. It got released few hours ago and it has around 4 lakh views already. More than 4 lakh views actually, and it has 68,000 upvotes. So we are going to react to this particular trailer. But before starting the video, I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel, also bell icon, so you never see notifications from me. Please to Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. I'm description below if you want to comment on something, suggest me something, give me any feedback, or follow me. I would love to hear from you guys too. Also, we have a new backup account because this actually has a copyright strike on it, so I'm just having another account so that we don't lose our fans, our people who love to give me suggestions for new videos and new trailers to come to. So name of the rig is K4 Covet. It's gonna be on the screen right now. So please do subscribe to that channel too. The links of that particular channel will be given in the description below. So we are going to start the reaction to this particular trailer. So without further ado, let's start.
लाइफ में कुछ नहीं करने के लिए 4 जनरेशन लगता है। 2G है ना, तो 2G सेकंड जनरेशन। हम 2G वाले कभी एंजॉय नहीं कर सकते। मेरा वहाँ फर्स्ट जनरेशन, कभी स्कूल गए, मैं सेकंड जनरेशन, स्कूल भी गया, पढ़ाई भी की। कॉन्डोम पे डोर्स क्यों होनी चाहिए ऐसा समझा सके, बस नौकरी करेगा थर्ड जनरेशन। उसका बच्चा जब 18-20 साल का हो जाएगा, सब कुछ होगा उसके पास, उसको कुछ करने का जरूरत नहीं। और इम्प्रेसिव नॉब है, ये लोग हमें नहीं नामों से बुलाते, तो हमने भी रिटर्न में उनका नाम रख दिया, सीरियस मैन।
ओके, दिस इज थिंग।
ये तेरी जगह यहाँ बैठ के पढ़ना, सनलाइट कम है तो क्या हुआ, तो अपने टैलेंट से चमक।
वाओ।
That way we can generate oxygen, can save Earth. What are your thoughts on this one?
बनाया अपन मत किया था उसका, सबसे प्यार से बात किया था, चुप कर।
छुपना क्यों चाहिए, कई आदमी को घोटे थमा देती दुनिया हाथ।
वो
आपको विज्ञान में इतनी दिलचस्पी क्यों?
Science helps us to understand things from atoms to the infinite universe.
लवली।
इसको पॉलिटिक्स के बारे में नहीं पता।
अम्बेडकर है उसमें,
और आइंस्टाइन भी।
Hey, this is Shweta Basu Prasad.
इसको को वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड के लिए नॉमिनेट कर।
Yeah.
सिर्फ नए इमारत के नए सपनों की नींव रखी।
Nice.
अभी
Whoa, what happened?
क्या बताएगा दुनिया को कि मैंने फ्रॉड किया है? उसने के बचपन से बहुत छिला मैंने। आगे तभी डिसाइड कर दिया था मैंने, अपने बेटों से ऊपर लेके जाएगा। Why should I shut my mouth for the sake of science?
Oh, lovely.
ये देख, ओबामा फॉलो कर रहे थे वो।
कितना व्यूअर्स है?
200।
कितना फॉलोअर्स?
5000 है, लेकिन तू बहुत तेजी से आगे बढ़ रहा है।
शाहरुख खान का?
औकात में रहे।
Nice. Many things to talk about this particular trailer actually. First thing, a small town person who has knowledge about how things work in the world and still trying to make it a big one so that his family can survive this rising population and inflation all over the world. And secondly, he even wants is every parent wants that his son should go ahead in life and have all sorts of knowledge and things to go up and rise ahead, so that people will know him, people will understand how a person can face the problems and also come up ahead. And there will be always an exterior person, the third party person who is trying to make you pull down, and that is where the real problem starts, and how to tackle that problem, how to go ahead and face the challenges and win the challenges is one of the greatest things ever happens to a person who is a middle class same point of time, and also how he rises from the ashes and making it himself a great personality all over the people. This age, when a small child who has given a God gift, and his parents are constantly trying to tell him that you have the gift, so you don't need to be arrogant. You need to be humble, so that people will know you, people will understand you at the same point of time. And also he should, not get everything onto the head, and just play it safe, play it, give his opinions on the world, and many things actually. If you see, like, it's unstoppable to like get something like this is like very fresh content, I would say, that I would have like saw it, because a middle class person goes through a lot, and picturizing that thing, making it a big one, and like in OTT platform, because all the fresh contents are coming on OTT platforms, and like in Netflix, Amazon Prime, and like many new things. I'm like, I don't even remember all the names, but it's so good that you're getting a new stuff. And further talking about the trailer, that is like what he was trying to say in the start, that there were like 3 generations. He was actually distinguishing them. First was that the generation didn't study that much, they didn't put that much of importance in the studies. The second generation put the studies and also worked hard, so that they can go ahead in life, if they have knowledge and everything. And third generation would be able to open up so freely that you'll be able to understand what things are coming from and how the things work accordingly in the world. And it's absolutely necessary how things work and how people should know, without even like blindfolding and accepting the fact what you have in front of them. So this is the particular way this particular movie Serious Man has been picturized, where the upper class people are constantly bashing the lower class people, and when something like this happens, a sense of strength comes inside the guy or man or the person who are like suffering from long period of time. So he is able to say so he's able to say it in front of the people that it is not right the way you treat them. It's absolutely understandable how he puts it out in front. This particular trailer tells us how we should behave with the people in spite of having so much in our hand. And still I would say that getting such great content is absolutely amazing to witness at this point of time. So heads off to Netflix, and fantastic things which we are getting at sitting at home, and we can make it up to the corona situation. So it's really amazing to see that. So this was the reaction. I hope you liked it. At the point of time, I would like to request you to please subscribe to my channel, also bell icon, so never miss an update from me. We have a new channel coming up, that is K4 Kavit, which is a backup account of this particular channel, because this channel might get closed and I might lose you guys. So I don't want to do that. So please do subscribe to that channel too, and links of that particular channel will be given in the description below. If you want to follow me, please do follow me. It will be great for us to get connected. And also keep suggesting. Also, if you like this trailer reaction, please give a big thumbs up this particular video, so that I know that you like my reaction. I would be inspired, motivated to do more reaction videos for you guys. Also, list to Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and description below. If you want to comment on something, suggest me something, give me any feedback, or follow me, I would love to hear from you guys too. So guys, this is the timetable of the whole weekend, which is going to be happening from Monday to Sunday. And I'm not sure that I'll be able to keep up to this, but I'll try as much as possible, because it will be entertaining to react to different kind of things. At same point of time, you'll be able to know at what point of time what's going to come. So that's the reason I have dedicated each day to everything. At sharp 8 p.m. you'll be able to receive this. That's on Monday, and on Thursday there will be song reaction. Tuesday and Friday it will be comedy reaction, comedy routine, or comedy scene, or whatever. And on Wednesday there will be a fighting scene or a normal scene from any movie. It will be Hollywood, Bollywood, or Telugu, or Malayalam, or Kannada, anything. So this will be the thing, and I hope you'll be able to enjoy yourself with my reaction channel, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Do like this video if you really like, because I get motivation from your like. Thank you so much. So on the next reaction, next tribute, I would request you to stay connected.